Hi, I'm Faith and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the 1 hour clean, or what Flylady calls a weekly home blessing. In our day-to-day routine, we might be keeping up with the dishes, laundry, and the bathrooms. The weekly home blessing is for the tasks that we don't usually do on a day-to-day basis. In this video, I'll be showing you the 6 tasks in the weekly home blessing, which are changing sheets, dusting, wiping doors, vacuuming, mopping, throwing away garbage, and recycling. I decided to do all of these tasks in one day, but the main goal is to make sure I'm not overdoing it. This is not the time to be perfect. Flylady wants us to work quickly through the cleaning task by setting our timers for 10 minutes per task. Yes, some of these cleaning tasks will take longer or shorter than 10 minutes, but our main goal is to get everything done in an hour. This is my first time working through the weekly home blessing in one day. Usually I tackle one task per day throughout the week, but with this pregnancy, I completely got out of routine and I wanted to try something new. I really want to make it a habit to have a cleaning routine right before the weekend, so our weekend can be spent together as a family instead of cleaning. Our first mission together was to get the sheets and pillowcases off their beds and to put nice clean sheets on. I truly was surprised how fast we got that task done, but I'll be honest with you, next time I'm only going to pick one bed to change the sheets on, whether it's my bed or the kids. Then on my laundry day, I'll wash the other sheets. This way, I don't have to actually make two beds in one day because I had to actually wait for my sheets to finish drying, and by the end of the day I was just too tired to do it. Yes, I still put the sheets on because I can't sleep on the bed without sheets, but now I know that next time I do my weekly blessing hour, I'll make sure to focus on one bed and then the other bed will be done on my laundry day. Right away, I told my kids that we have another mission, and that was mission number 2, which was to dust. We each grabbed a microfiber cloth for dusting and started to dust away. The kids dusted their room while I dusted my room and the office. Then we all went together to dust in the living room. My kids loved it. They truly enjoyed working together and trying to get as much done before the timer went off. My kids helped with the next cleaning task as well, which was to clean windows, doors, and glass. I personally decided to focus on doors instead of mirrors and windows because we only have a few mirrors in my house and we rarely touch the windows. So I'll get to those on another day. Fingerprints on the doors are a different story, so that's where we focused on today. I gave all my kids a wet, soapy microfiber cloth and told them to run around the house and wipe all the doors. While they focused on their mission, I tried to focus on the main doors that get the most fingerprints, which are the pantry door, bathroom doors, and the garage door. The timer went off and we didn't finish wiping all the doors, but that's okay. My kids completed the missions that I wanted them to help out with. Then I started the next task, which is vacuuming. I actually gave myself 5 extra minutes with vacuuming because I do move at a slower pace and I wanted a detailed vacuum in the kitchen. First, I started vacuuming in the high traffic areas, which are the living room and the hall. Then I vacuumed in the master bedroom's bathroom and closet. Then I quickly vacuumed in the kids' room, office, kids' bathroom, and the laundry room. I got all that vacuuming done in 10 minutes, and that's when I decided to give myself an extra 5 minutes to vacuum in the kitchen. I should have moved all the chairs before I started vacuuming, but I was trying to get the task done as quickly as possible. Then one of my little helpers wanted to help out again. I finally finished vacuuming, and this point, I was a little exhausted. Who needs a workout when you can get your heart pumping by cleaning? I slowly put the vacuum away, and instead of jumping to the next routine task, which was mopping, I did the last task, which was throwing away garbage and to recycle. I decided to do the last task just so I can slow down my pace and catch my breath. When I finished catching my breath, I got my mop out. Then my oldest son wanted to take over my job. So I moved all the chairs while he mopped the floor. I also got a chance to mop the sticky area around the table. Then he mopped the little area by our entrance door, both bathrooms, and the laundry room. It definitely took us longer than an hour because of the transitioning between each cleaning task, but it felt so good to work together as a team and to get our home nice and clean. Click the like button if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.